We are at Pro Arc at IMTEX 2022, and with us we are having Purshottam Peswani.
Yes, good afternoon. I am the director here, and I have been the founding member of this company. We formed this company in 1995, and we have metamorphosed from a welding machine to a cutting machine company. And we've been exhibiting at every IMTEX. Every IMTEX we found a lot of good response, and this year has been the best. We are displaying three very good machines this time. One
This is a new launch you did, this Altis Drill.
This is launched for the first time at this IMTEX exhibition. The special use for this is for the tube sheet, for boiler tube sheets, and for structurals. This gives you accurate drilling required for structurals like railway bridges and high masts and pre-engineered buildings.
There are a lot of laser cutting machines are there, most of the things. But this is a drilling machine.
Yes.
So how this makes the difference from the other laser machines?
The laser cuttings have a limitation of speed, they have a limitation of thickness of the plate, whereas this has almost no limitations for the available work. All the available work up to 100 mm thickness, 100 mm diameters in all materials, MS, SS, copper and other metals can be carried out.
And this is a completely made in India product?
This is a completely made in India product. We have full support system for it throughout the country. We are also exporting machines to Gulf, we have exported to USA, to Bangladesh. We've also exported to Kazakhstan and Gulf and other countries in Gulf. Thank you.
How many models you have on this, or this is the only model you have, or there are different specifications?
For the drilling machine, we have different specifications. The first one is the type we use mainly for tube sheets. This has got tight accuracies. And then the second one is a very large machine which starts at 6 meters and the lengths go around 40 meters. These are for extremely large structures like airports, like railway stations and for sugar industry.